Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make mumbo sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching from whatever platform you're joining us on. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Like I said, we're going to be making a mumbo sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 cup of ketchup, half a cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a little pinch of salt and pepper, and a little bit of water as we need. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we've got our bowl big enough for everything. Let's take our ketchup, add that to the bowl. Hot sauce, brown sugar, cayenne, white vinegar, soy sauce, and a pinch of salt and pepper. We're going to mix this all up. Now what we want to do at this point, I want to throw it in a saucepan, heat it up for about 3-4 minutes, get it to a nice simmer, and it will thicken. And if we need to loosen it back up, we'll add a little bit of water. That's where we're headed now. Alright, there's our sauce. It's thickened up a little bit. It smells fantastic. We got some chicken strips coming out of the oven here. We're going to do a photo shoot. Then we're going to taste them. Alright, we got some nice shots of that sauce here, and you just pull it out of the pan so we can get a good look at it. Our chicken fingers. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste here. See how well it sticks to the chicken finger. Nice. With the vinegar and the sugar, sweet and sour, but it's also got the tomato sauce, or the ketchup, and the hot sauce or anything, and then that sugar, so it gives it like a sweet and sour and a barbecue sauce. Very good sauce. Like the recipe is down in the description box, or the very first pinned comment. Yeah, this is a really good sauce. Be good on a chicken sandwich, French fries, might even be good on some ribs. But thanks for watching. Mumbo Sauce. See you next time.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.